Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make simple to-do list in Notion. So first create a new page and name it My To-Do List. Then simply place your cursor underneath and type in backslash and now table view. This will basically create you a new database and you can name it to-do list, for example. Now type here, change this property name to task, and now add a property which will be basically a checkbox. Now write your task, so let's say take out bins, and here is the checkbox. If you completed the task, you can check this box. Now you can add another task, so work out. And let's say I completed this, so I will check this box. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.